Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, welcome back to the world of crypto, AI, NFTs and everything related to that topic. Today we are going to dive into a very different project. We are going to dive into a project that's related to fine jewelry and luxury, with a project that's set to disrupt the industry using cutting-edge AI technology. Join me as we are exploring ARQx Jewelry and how it's reshaping the way we design, purchase and wear luxury items. Are you ready, guys? Give this video a like and subscribe to never miss anything here again. And of course, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for educational purposes only. Are you ready, guys? I'm so excited to introduce you to this project. Of course, I'm going to show you their website. I'm going to explain a little bit about ARQx Jewelry, and we are checking out if the token might be a good opportunity for you to invest in. So stay tuned and stay until the end. ARQx Jewelry is at the forefront of AI innovation. ARQx Jewelry is at the forefront of AI innovation in the luxury sector, offering consumers the opportunity to design their own custom jewelry pieces. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, ARQx is bringing personalized luxury to the masses, disrupting an industry valued at $350 billion. Isn't that crazy? Let's delve into the main utilities of the ARQx token. Firstly, it acts as gas for designing jewelry, ensuring seamless transaction on the platform. Additionally, there is a 10% tax on all jewelry purchases, with proceeds used for buyback and burn. Staking ARQx tokens offers various benefits, including discounts on jewelry, early access to drops, royalties from jewelry sales, and much more. Moreover, ARQx integrates built-in on-ramps for Web3, enabling users to transact with USD seamlessly. Make sure that you check out their website. You will find it in the description below. Also, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you like this token. I think it's such an amazing opportunity because, again, we have the real life use case. We are right here on their website, and soon you will be able to access everything you need to know about the ARQx token right here. You will find their own app on their App Store and of course also on the Google Play Store. ARQx is redefining luxury jewelry with AI. Let's check out the token. As I told you before, the token will mainly be the gas for jewelry design. Also, we have the 10% tax for buyback and burn. Make sure that you stay up to date about the artist's drops. For that, let's make sure that you follow them on their socials. Right here we have their Instagram page. Check them out, follow. Right here we have the Instagram page. It's very impressive. They have super nice reels and also quite high views on some reels. So make sure you check it out and hit the follow button. Also on Twitter, of course, we have ARQx AI Jewelry Design. Make sure to follow to never miss any opportunity here again. Also check out their Linktree, because right here you can click and then you can buy the ARX token on Uniswap with Ethereum or Base. You can just click here on their Linktree, and of course in their Linktree you will find everything else we just talked about. You can check out their Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, and of course we can read the white paper and learn more about the project. Make sure that you go to the Instagram page and check out the collab they have with an influencer. It's gained over 100k views and it is showcasing the platform's mainstream appeal. You will find also the reel just in the description below. Click on the button, check it out. The narrative surrounding ARQx revolves around AI, real-world business applications, physical luxury items, market hedging, partnerships, game theory, and the changing landscape of fashion retail. It's no wonder investors and influencers alike are taking notice of this revolutionary project. Make sure that you check out the ARQx token on Uniswap. Maybe it's a good investment opportunity for the upcoming bull run and you will not miss out. So guys, no matter what you are, investor or fashion enthusiast, you will be very happy checking out the ARQx token. If you have any further questions, please let me know in the comments. Hit the like and subscribe button and have a great day.